Gill Industries is devoted to the greatest resource on earth, people. Our strong partnership with Power Curve Incorporated is only one example of our commitment to finding new and innovative ways to turn a profit without turning the environment on its head. With our combined efforts, we can provide our clients with decreases in emissions and maintenance costs while making them more profitable and environmentally ethical. As fuel efficiency and emissions become increasingly important issues in today's global economy, we are offering an alternative that will reduce maintenance costs and energy consumption. During our presentation, we will give you an in-depth look at the business relationship we have with Power Curve, discuss Power Curve's product line, demonstrate its efficacy, and share some of our many success stories. It is vitally important to us to give you every opportunity to fully understand what Gill Industries can do for your business.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Leroy Gill, Jr., Chief Executive Officer of Gill Industries, a company dedicated to providing environmentally safe products, efficient customer service, and professionalism for our clients both nationally and internationally. Today, Gill Industries is proud to introduce our partnership with Power Curve. These two progressive companies are dedicated to educate consumers about our revolutionary products and services. The assortment of quality products from Power Curve are, in my opinion, the best in the marketplace, especially regarding the complex problems of lubricating machinery parts. I personally use these products in all of my vehicles. Whenever metal components come together, heat, friction, and wear will take place. This ultimately affects the efficiency and longevity of items we purchase, such as cars, trucks, farm equipment, motorcycles, and air conditioners. Let me provide an example why our products are effective in providing lubrication to the items mentioned above. In 1993, a series of discussions occurred between the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, the American Society for Testing of Materials, ASTM, and the Engine Manufacturers Association, EMA. These discussions were centered on the sulfur content in diesel gasoline and its environmental impact. These discussions resulted in the reduction of the sulfur content that is naturally in diesel fuel and provides lubrication and cushion for metal parts. After lengthy discussions, the sulfur content was reduced from 500 parts per million to only 15 parts per million, mandating the new fuel known as ultra-low sulfur diesel. The removal of sulfur caused dramatic problems with the metallic fuel system components such as fuel pumps and fuel injectors. Additional elasticity problems also occurred with seals, gaskets, and other rubber and synthetic components due to the dramatic reduction of the sulfur. The Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, then required that all refiners producing fuel and all importers of fuel for highway use to ship this new fuel no later than June 1st, 2006. Power Curve products replaces lubricity to the fuel, elasticity to rubber, as well as the synthetic components without affecting sulfur content. At Gill Industries and Power Curve, we are dedicated to providing you with quality products to meet your current and future needs. Thank you for considering our products. We are looking forward to serving you. Now, I would like to introduce Gene Walker, part owner and Vice President of Operations for Power Curve.
Thank you, Leroy. It's my pleasure to be here. You know, of course, what Vice President of Operations means. If nobody else will do the job, I get to. And so I'm here representing our company. I'm thrilled to be here to work with Gill Industries to help you guys get off to a roaring start. Between your integrity and your company and our product and what it can do, we can make a great deal of difference in the local community or even the national community. in the consumption of fuels, of motor oils, of oil filters, all sorts of things like that. We'll get into those in detail in just a minute. I want to take just a second to tell these folks a little bit about our company. We're a 3-year-old company. We are headquartered in Searcy, Arkansas. Product is manufactured here in the United States. Has about a 30-year history behind it under another name. We won't go into all those details, but I do have a great deal of scientific information, data that backs up everything that we say, and everything that you in turn are going to be presenting to your customers, so we can prove that we do what we say we do.